Wow, it really rained a lot. The entire coop is sopped, and it looks so much different when the wood is wet. It actually looks better. It is supposed to rain for the next 2 days, which means they're not coming out. And this got all wet because I did not put a tarp on it. I don't know if that's good or bad. The land needs water, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. So today is a landmark day. Good morning. Hi. Today is a landmark day. It is, yes. They're like, why? Well, because today is 120 days since you were born. You might think, well, so what? Well, if you consider each month to have 30 days, which is not the case, but let's pretend, then that means they're exactly 4 months old. 17 weeks yesterday, and 4 months old. Hi, I can't even see you. There we go. I turned the flash on. Now they're very interested in the coop inside because they can see it. And I can see all the stuff floating around. You ready to come out? Yeah. The extended run is pretty wet. It's not muddy. It's not full of puddles. But I spread the straw around just to help soak it up a bit, because it's going to rain for a couple of days. They're really liking these pellets. It's excessively full today because this is the last of the pellet crumble mix. So when this is empty, there's no more crumble mix for them. And at that point, I'm planning on measuring it out to see how much they actually eat, so I can do some budget planning, basically. Of course, when I feed them fermented feed, that throws off the calculation a bit, but I'll figure it out. The ladies made a crater right behind Phoenix and PK now. I just came out to bring them something, and there's a giant hole. Yeah. They've eaten most of the spaghetti squash, and I added a little bit of yogurt. There's a bag here, and it is freaking some of them out. They're like, what is that? We've never seen a bag before. Watch this. See? All I did was move it. And they're like, although Miss Cloud is like, what is it? Is it something delicious? It is something delicious. It is the ribs of a prime rib. Oh. Chuck, chuck. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. It's supposed to be edible. And I've heard that chickens will pick them clean. These two are just eating the yogurt, and she's apparently hiding. You gonna come over and check it out? Yeah. It's like a rib bone with some delicious meat on it. I ate most of it myself. And this is what's left. You gonna give it a try, Spitfire? She's suspicious. What the heck is that? Here comes Miss Cloud. Let me see what it is. I'm gonna peck at it. No, I guess we'll see what happens. I've been told that chickens love it, but I was also told that chickens love dried mealworms, and Spitfire here does not like them at all. What are you doing, sweetie? Are you guys freaking out a little? Chirp, chirp, chirp. Yeah. They've had meat before, but they've never had a bone, nor do they know what to do with it yet. Well, maybe. I put the other one down. They didn't like that either. Let's watch what happens when I touch it. See? Maybe it looks too much like, well, something that's dead, quite frankly. They might be like, no, we don't want dead things. Which is not true. You gonna try it? Chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. I'm not poisoning you, I swear. They're hiding in their crater. Come on. Come on. Chirp, chirp. No. We're gonna walk all the way around it. Well, maybe the ladies will not want it. They want the yogurt. Look at that. Yeah, get that yogurt. Yeah. They're curious but cautious. Interested but suspicious. Why are you poisoning us? Look, I did some research online, said this is okay for chickens and that they love it. They're like, scrap that website. Yeah, Spitfire is like, I don't know, they must think it's a dead animal. I mean, like, a dead animal, like it was just killed and put in here. This is cooked. So, yes, it is dead. But it's not a newly dead animal. It's not. Chirp, chirp. You want some? Chirp, chirp, chirp. You've had meat before. Yes, you have. Ugh, look. See? You've had that before. Okay, yeah, I see. That's all it is. It's just meat. Yeah, see? You want some? Yeah. Okay. Well, you don't have to. I did. I thought I was giving you a treat. Yeah, we wanted if you'll get it off of there for us. See? Chirp, chirp. That's what that is. Yeah, see? Someone's pecking my butt. It's probably PK. Alright, I put this in the bowl instead. Phoenix went over there and pecked at it. Maybe it's a little more acceptable if it's in the bowl. Who put dead animals in my bowl? You like meat. She's just... She's like, no. I mean, I like meat, but no. This is what they really want, is to be out. So the snow is starting to melt, and now we have puddles of cold, cold water. But at least it's not like that in the chicken run. says it's 40 degrees out, so balmy. Here they are picking on the butterfly bush. What was that? That was strange. What was she jumping for? No. What in the world? That was silly. I cleared a little grass spot and they liked that for a moment. Especially when I pick one. If I pick it, then they really want it. There you go, yeah. The grass is still here. Yeah. Chuck. She's like, but it's not scratch, is it? No. Of course. Someone has to do it at least once. I'm near the spot where they know the treats are, which currently is in here. If I open that, they will all come running. You're beautiful. Oh, wow, look at you strut. It's like, give me something to eat. What did you find? Nothing. A rock. And they all want to eat it, I guess. I'm pretty sure PK is on the coop. And there goes Phoenix thinking about it. I'm gonna go around the... Yeah, here she goes. All right, ladies. No. Well, somebody's flying around. No, we're gonna get down. Come here. Come on. Well, yeah, it's not for chickens. She's trying to grab it. See? There she goes. Oh my gosh. Well, turkey. Look at them. They've got it. And they're like, we know what that is. We're pretty sure we know what that is. We know what it is. Yeah. Let's not drop it on a chicken, though. Yeah. We don't want to drop it on a chicken. Can you move? Thank you. Oh, yeah. There you go. They're like, it's about time. Much better than those bones you tried to give us. Excuse me. Excuse me. Just like, what are you trying to do? Yeah. There, let's get some. There. Now when you peck at it. If I peck at it, they're like really get excited. Like, oh, there it is, there it is. They are more successful though. You know, they got those beaks. Oh yes, they're very happy. This time I waited until later in the day to bring it out because my fear is they'll fill themselves up on this and not their regular feed. But by now they have definitely eaten a good amount of their feed from this morning. They also had a little bit of... Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know what just happened. I'll have to watch the video. Holy cow. Okay, I watched the video and it was Miss Cloud that told Trinity to back off. Aw, Miss Cloud, why are you being a witch? Huh? She's at the top of the pack, and I've known that for a little while. And I've known that Trinity's towards the bottom, but I don't know if Trinity is at the very bottom. But she's over there. She tried to get in, and Miss Cloud was a little witchy witch. Excuse me. You gonna peck me? Don't you dare peck me. Yeah. I'm on the top. I'm on the very tip top. Okay. I will make a little note here. Trinity doesn't seem upset about it at all. She's over there preening. She's on one foot. She's having a good time. And she's just waiting. And I know that's how it works, but it's still hard to see. And it's probably one of the few times I've actually gotten to see it. PK, how are you? Don't touch me. PK, how are you? Oh, I took advantage. See? Oh, I got to pet you. Trinity snuck in there. She's like, ha, my opportunity. That witch is gone. I love you, Miss Cloud. She is one of my favorites, but so is Trinity. And I mean, I like them all, of course, but they are the most friendly. finger. Yeah, it's my finger. No, she thinks I have more. More, please. You have fermented feed. Yeah, chuck, 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 chuck. Don't go picking on Trinity. I'm watching you. She's just standing there, minding her own business. Okay.